Now, if you look at here in this formula that I have in the cell A1, when I hit enter, I get all the names of the worksheets that I have in my work. Let me tell you how you can write this formula, how you can use a hidden Excel function to get the name of all the worksheets that you have in your work. All right, so this is the first step that you need to follow. Go to your formulas tab, click on name manager and click on new. When you get this new name range dialog box, you need to enter a name, and this name has nothing to do with the formula. You can use any name that you want to use. So I'll go with sheets name. And now in the reference to, I'm going to say equals and then get dot workbook bracket start 1 and then closing bracket and click OK. I'll come back. I'll enter get sheets name and hit enter. Now you can see I have all the names of all the worksheets, but along with this, I'm going to use one more function, and that's transpose. Now when I close this function transpose and I have this get sheets name here and hit enter, I get all the names of the worksheets. But along with the worksheet, now when I get this list of all the names of the worksheets that I have in my workbook, I also get the name of the workbook as well. And this name is something that I don't want. So what I'll do, I'll make a few changes in this formula. So I'm going to use the text after function, and in the delimiter argument, I'm going to say closing square bracket, close the function and hit enter. And now I have my list of names for all the worksheets that I have in my workbook.